Okay guys, we have here the power unit for the autopilot system. It's a hydraulic unit with the fluid, and the hydraulic unit is connected with the helm pump. The helm pump, forward, starboard side, port side, and the return. And the return is connected here and is going into the reservoir. The hydraulic unit have two solenoids, and those solenoids are connected with the solenoids on the servo cylinder. The servo cylinder located in the rudder arm, in the lazaret of the boat. This is the hydraulic power unit, and this is the hydraulic helm pump. This is the hydraulic power unit for the autopilot system. This unit receives the signal from the computer of the autopilot, and the computer of the autopilot receives the signal from the GPS. The GPS send the information about the location. The computer check and verify according with the information that you introduce, and do the comparison and steer the boat in one direction or the other direction. This is the process of operation of this hydraulic unit, power head unit, or autopilot unit.